All right, so it's time to announce the winner of our most recent mobility scooter giveaway. The winner we have picked, her name is Anna. She's from Marina, California.
Thank you so much. I can't even believe it. No way.
And she's getting a really cool scooter. It's called the Passport Flex. It's made by SuperHandy. I really like the scooter. We've done a few videos on it. They're going to come out here in the future. But what I really like about it is it supports 330 pounds of weight. It disassembles into more lightweight pieces. And the heaviest piece is only 22 pounds. And it's priced really well. So Anna, you're going to love the scooter. We're really happy to help regain your independence and freedom with this. And if you would like to be eligible for our next mobility scooter giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and then comment on any video on our channel. And once you do those two things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. Put your YouTube username. We're going to verify that you've subscribed and commented, and you'll be entered into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. Thanks a lot. You guys have a great 4th of July.